Hi, this is Master Sergeant Chauvin, and today we're going to discuss asset management. Now, asset management is critical for an organization. You need to know, one, what items your company has available, two, what they have on their network, and three, who's utilizing them. All of that falls within the asset management program. Now, what is asset management? These are policies and tools that you use to track assets over their life cycle. So these can be real property, so it can consist of things such as real estate. They can consist of IT property, so computers, servers, switches, routers, things like that. Assets can also be considered human resources. Those are also part of your asset management, but we won't really go into that kind of depth with it. Now, within the IT asset management, which is really what we're going to be discussing for the purpose of this course, we're going to be talking about different types of hardware and software that you need to be aware of. This could include things like license management, how many different licenses you have of certain applications. Could be peripheral, data and storage media, computers, the actual physical computers. It includes your mobile devices. You should have some means to manage your mobile device, preferably through something like a mobile device management tool or software suite. It can also include things like cabling and HVAC systems, backup systems, all those kinds of things. Now, when you have so much equipment out there for these large organizations, we call that system sprawl when it becomes so undocumented and so widespread that you don't have a good means of managing it. You should have a good asset management system to be able to track all of those items to prevent that system sprawl. Now, human accountability is at the core of the asset management system. People are responsible for maintaining and keeping it up to date. They're responsible for ensuring if something goes missing or damaged, or if an asset is compromised, like a cell phone is stolen, a laptop is stolen, that it's reported immediately. And your users need to know, they need to be trained that needs to be a critical task. It's not, I'll wait until Monday to do it. Because by then, your data could be compromised or somebody could actually get into your networks, depending upon how you have that asset configured. Now, there are a couple roles within the human accountability process. The owner. This is the person that has the ultimate responsibility of that asset. Typically, that's going to be in an organization, your CIO, or for your IT stuff. You may have a human resource manager that's responsible for your personnel, things like that. You'll have a custodian. This is a person that has been delegated responsibility for managing that device. So you have the owner is the person that's responsible for it. You have the custodian, the person that is responsible for managing it. In other words, they work on that device. Throughout your military career, you will see places where you are the custodian. ITech custodians. These are the people that are responsible for maintaining all the computers. The accountability of all the computers, let me put it that way. Then you have your users. And these are those that are authorized to use the asset. So this will be your end user. And those are the different roles. That is it for asset management. If you have any questions, get a hold of your instructor, bring them up, or ask your class. Thank you.